Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. If you're like me, you have probably seen a million lists up the best places to live in the US, and they always feature the same few states. But what if you are looking for something different? Something with incredible quality of life, stunning nature, and a great community, but without the crowds or the sky-high prices? Well, today we are diving deep into the often overlooked corners of America to bring you the 10 best unseen states to live in the United States for 2025. These are the hidden gems, the states that offer so much but do not always get the spotlight. We are talking affordability, growing job markets, and a quality of life that might just surprise you. So, if you are thinking about a move or just curious about what else is out there, stick around because your next dream home might be in one of these incredible places. Let us jump right in. Coming in at number 10, we have Arkansas. Often dismissed, Arkansas is a treasure trove of natural beauty, with the Ozark Mountains, Hot Springs National Park, and countless lakes and rivers. It offers an incredibly low cost of living, making your dollars stretch further, and it has a growing outdoor recreation industry. If you love a relaxed pace and stunning scenery, Arkansas is definitely worth a second look. Moving on to number 9, we head up to Nebraska. Now, I know what you are thinking, cornfields, right? But Nebraska is so much more. It boasts one of the lowest unemployment rates in the country, a stable economy, and incredibly friendly communities. Lincoln and Omaha are vibrant cities with a thriving arts and food scene, all while maintaining an exceptionally low cost of living. It is truly a state that offers big city amenities with small town charm. At number 8, we are putting a spotlight on Iowa, another Midwestern marvel that flies under the radar. Iowa consistently ranks high for its affordable housing, excellent education system, and strong job market, especially in agriculture, manufacturing, and even growing tech sectors. Des Moines is a surprisingly dynamic city, and the state's tight-knit communities offer a genuine sense of belonging. Do not sleep on Iowa. Our 7th spot goes to North Dakota. Yes, North Dakota, known for its robust energy industry and agriculture. This state has consistently low unemployment and a very strong economy. It offers wide open spaces, beautiful badlands, and a welcoming atmosphere. If you do not mind the cold winters, you will find an affordable, secure, and genuinely friendly place to call home with plenty of outdoor adventure. Coming in at number 6, we have Idaho. This western state is an absolute paradise for outdoor enthusiasts, with stunning mountains, pristine lakes, and world-class skiing and whitewater rafting. Beyond its natural beauty, Idaho is experiencing rapid growth in its tech and food processing industries, offering plenty of job opportunities. Cities like Boise are becoming increasingly popular, but the state still maintains its rugged, adventurous charm. Halfway through our list at number 5 is Maine. If you dream of picturesque coastlines, charming lighthouses, and fresh lobster, Maine is your state. It offers a slower pace of life, a strong sense of community, and unparalleled natural beauty from its rugged coast to its vast forests. While some areas can be pricier, there are still plenty of affordable towns where you can enjoy the quintessential New England lifestyle. For our fourth pick, we travel to Montana, Big Sky Country. Montana offers incredible wide-open spaces, majestic mountain ranges, and national parks like Glacier that will take your breath away. It is a haven for those seeking a connection with nature, and its towns maintain a strong sense of community and Western heritage. Plus, with the rise of remote work, more people are discovering that Montana offers an unbeatable quality of life without the urban hustle. Our bronze medal goes to South Dakota at number 3. This state offers a fantastic quality of life without state income tax, a low cost of living, and a growing economy. Beyond Mount Rushmore, you'll find stunning Black Hills, Badlands National Park, and vibrant cities like Sioux Falls. South Dakota combines natural beauty with economic opportunity and a strong sense of American values. The runner-up at number 2 is Wyoming. If you love the outdoors and wide-open spaces, Wyoming is tough to beat. It boasts no state income tax, low property taxes, and incredible natural wonders like Yellowstone and Grand Teton National Parks. With the lowest population in the U.S., it offers unparalleled peace and quiet, perfect for those looking to escape the rat race and embrace a life surrounded by nature. And finally, our number 1 unseen state to live in for 2025 is Vermont. This New England gem's often overshadowed, but it offers an exceptional quality of life. Vermont is renowned for its stunning fall foliage, charming small towns, strong community values, and dedication to local food and sustainability. With a low crime rate, excellent education, and a slower, more deliberate pace of life, Vermont is the perfect place for anyone seeking peace, beauty, and a tight-knit community feel. So there you have it, folks, my top 10 unseen states to live in the US for 2025. I hope this list has given you some food for thought and perhaps introduced you to a few places you had not considered before. Which of these states surprised you the most? Or perhaps you live in one of them and have even more to share. Let me know in the comments below. Do not forget to like this video, subscribe for more content on hidden gems and unique places, and hit that notification bell so you do not miss our next adventure. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.